Data cleaning, also known as data cleansing or data scrubbing, is the process of identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in a dataset to improve its quality and reliability. The ultimate goal of data cleaning is to ensure that the data is accurate, consistent, and suitable for analysis or other purposes. Here are some common steps and activities involved in data cleaning. 1. Identifying errors and inconsistencies. 2. Handling missing data. 3. Removing duplicates. 4. Handling outliers, etc. Data cleaning is a crucial step in the data preparation process, ensuring that the resulting dataset is accurate, reliable, and suitable for analysis, reporting, or any other application. It helps in producing meaningful insights and reliable models when analyzing the data. Was this video helpful? Leave a like or a comment to let me know.